welcome to the channel. And if you're having issues with your Mercedes-Benz automatic transmission, I want to show you something that can perhaps help you out. And this works for the W204 and a whole lot of other Mercedes-Benz brands. So I want to show you something here. Let's quickly unlock the car here. So if you come to this section here on your accelerator, there is a button, and that button is responsible for the downshift of the transmission. Some cars have that button exposed here, but unfortunately for this one, I would have to open all this up to be able to show you. But if you press your accelerator down, there's an extra push that you need to do in order to press that button. So just hear the sound. You hear that? So you push your accelerator and then you push further down in order to engage that downshift button. So with that in mind, if you're having issues with your Mercedes-Benz transmission, this is what you do. So you come in the car and don't touch any buttons, don't touch anything on the steering wheel, don't touch anything on the radio, and take your key, which is here, and put in your key into the second position. So first, that's the first position, and then turn it again into the second position until you can see the dashboard lights here. So don't press anything on the steering wheel, and also don't press anything on the radio, and also your car should be in park, and don't press the brakes or the accelerator down there. So once your key is in the second position here and you can see these dashboard lights, don't start the car. So what you want to go ahead is to now press the accelerator that you see there. Press it as hard as you can down until you can hear that downshift button engaged. So we want to press it down for 15 seconds. So yeah, hold it down there for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 14, 15. Okay, so 15 seconds are up. So hold your foot on the accelerator there, as you can see. Don't let go, and keep it down as hard as you can. And now come back to the key here and turn it back to the 0 position, but don't take out the key. So turn the key back to the 0 position. That is the 0 position, but don't take it out. And then now you can let go of the accelerator. And now what you want to do is don't press anything, don't press the brakes or anything, and also don't touch anything on the steering wheel or on the radio. You want to wait for about 5 minutes. So during these 5 minutes, what's happening is that the ECU is communicating with the TCU, or the computer system is communicating with the transmission control unit, and it's resetting the transmission control unit. So once that process is done, it will take about 5 minutes, and once that process is done, your transmission will basically be into a relay mode. So wait for 5 minutes. If you want, you can set a timer either on your watch or on your phone, and after 5 minutes is done, basically your transmission would have been set into relay mode. That is the mode that you basically get the car when you buy it factory from the shop. So the car will basically restart in learning the way you drive, and you'll find that it will start shifting smooth and so on. So after 5 minutes has ended, everything is basically done now. And what I like to do basically myself, since my transmission has no issues, I didn't park with reverse. I usually like to park it with reverse so that your relay will start off with a straightforward learning position. So that's how you reset your transmission, and hopefully you find this video helpful. And if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe down below, and also let me know what else you would like to see on the channel, or what issues you are having with your Mercedes-Benz. And if I've heard the same issue or experienced something similar, maybe I'll be able to help you out. Anyways, that's about it for me, guys. Thank you very much for watching and reaching this far into the video. Stay safe, and I will definitely catch you guys in the next upload. Peace.